How do you know if you need a hearing test? That's a great question. Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist. I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. There's a couple of signs and symptoms that you want to pay attention to. If you notice you hear people speak, but you don't understand what's being said, you need a hearing test. If you feel that people tend to mumble or they're talking too fast, you need a hearing test. If the volume on the TV needs to be louder than those around you need a hearing test. And of course, if you have any ringing in your ears, dizziness or vertigo, pain or drainage, all of those things, you should get your hearing evaluated. And then the last one, and I hate to say this, but if you are the age of 50 and over, you should get a baseline hearing evaluation. All right, friends, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions on hearing healthcare related topics, please leave those in the comments below. I will get back to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.